Yoo-hoo! Hey, what's up you guys? This is PRAKHAR KULSHRESTHA from Cash Influencer. Today's video is all about Legendary Marketer 3.0 review. Means in today's video we will review Legendary Marketer 3.0 and will tell you about that does it work for beginners or not. If yes, then how and how it can change your life. Is it legitimate or not? Should a newbie start it or not? So if you are a beginner and if you are searching for reviews of Legendary Marketer, then you are on the right video and you are watching the right place. So let's get started. But before getting into this, I request you to watch this video until the very end and then take a decision only. Okay, so let's get started. So let me tell you frankly, this is my first online business, and before this business I have never made any money online. I was having only a YouTube channel and was earning money from it, but that money was not so much that could have changed my life. But Legendary Marketer is the first business, and I am lucky enough that I searched for the business that how to make money online, and Legendary Marketer comes in front of me and I joined it by watching a video just like you are watching as me. I have also watched someone else's video and then I joined Legendary Marketer, and I am lucky enough and thanks to God that I have grabbed this opportunity at that time, and now I am earning a good amount of money from the comfort of my home just by doing 1 or 2 hour work daily, because it's a part-time business and I never do it full-time business, because I have also other streams of income as well as offline also and some online also. But Legendary Marketer is one of my main online income streams apart from YouTube. YouTube was the first online income earning source and Legendary Marketer is my second, because I found it after starting my YouTube channel, and I'm lucky enough that I joined it. I grabbed this opportunity and I am rocking in it, and also I wish you the same, because I was a beginner. I was the very this business was the very first one to be started by me. And so if you are a beginner, if you have never started any business online, or if you have never earned any money online, then I will say this business is for you, because this business is step-by-step system, because you are never alone in this business. You are given a Facebook community of all around 15,000 members, and also of course there is CEO of this business too, who also helps you time by time, and also you are given a coach, your business plan advisor, and that is your business plan advisor. You and your business plan advisor discuss with each other to grow your business and to plan the strategies that can work for you as per your knowledge, as per your learning experience. So my friends, whenever you sign up Legendary Marketer, then you will be given a personal coach, a community of 15,000 members, and these are all those members which are rocking nowadays, because Legendary Marketer nowadays is hot system, and many of people from that group are earning a huge amount of money. Just like you have seen many other videos on YouTube, or you may have seen on also Google, because the business we are in is something that really teaches you how to make money online. It teaches you the real skills that are needed to make money online. It will teach you each and everything, how to market yourself, how to tell your story to the audience. The first product of Legendary Marketer is Legendary Marketers Club, in which you will get a live class each month, and maybe you also get 2 or 3 trainings in this Legendary Marketer Club. And this Legendary Marketer Club is all about also comprised of the trainings of top earners, and also the strategies that top earners used and are getting results with those techniques. So I suggest you to join Legendary Marketer as early as possible, because I was a newbie, I was a beginner, and if you are a beginner then you can do this too. Please trust me and please believe me, because you are here never alone. Your coach guides you and you implement those things, and if you did it correctly then you got the results. just like I have done it, just like many others are doing it, and just like I am earning it, and like me, not like me but more than me, many others are earning from this system. So it works for beginners. If you are a beginner, then from starting you will get Legendary Marketer Club, then a 15 days training that will teach you each and everything of how to start an online business, how to market yourself, how to influence others. And also, of course, after this Legendary Marketer Club, you will be offered a very interesting and very highly energetic and highly result producing product which is known as business blueprints. And there they have a storytelling formula in that. That storytelling formula is very much powerful, and because of that, all those top earners are on top only because of that storytelling formula. So I suggest you to first sign up for the Legendary Marketer Club, then upgrade to the blueprints offer that will be given to you, and then sit back and just promote your business by any of your choice, either by YouTube, either by Instagram, either by Facebook, either by Snapchat, Pinterest, blog, website, whatever it is, paid ads, solo ads, whatever it is, it totally depends upon you. I say that it is a totally automated system. You are not supposed to talk to somebody else, you are not supposed to go outside, because it is online business and everything happens automatically, because you are given already done for you sales funnel where you will get the capture page, sales page, and also of course emails follow up, because you know the power, the money is in the list and your list is built. You have to just make your list, and to follow up that list, Legendary Marketer gives you all the follow-ups that is already done for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Legendary Marketer do it by yourself. You can also do it by yourself, but Legendary Marketer has also a provision that Legendary Marketer will do follow-up for your clients, for your customers. So it is totally done for you system. You will get Legendary Marketer Club, and then you will get a training, 15 days training. There you will learn each and everything about how to market yourself, how to make money online. So very firstly, I would like to suggest you to just go down below in the description, click that link, join for the Legendary Marketers Club, then upgrade, then get the 15 days training, and then upgrade yourself to the blueprints offer, and then start making money online. Start your own online business just by learning the skills. This business is totally about earn while you learn, because you day by day learn the skills, you day by day learn the strategies, techniques, and you implement those strategies and you get the results. It is the same thing that I did and I got the results from it. So I can say this business is very easy if you take it seriously for some days in starting, because this is the only starting that can make you flourish for all your lifetime. And this business will give you a high life-changing commissions and passive income. And now here is the disclaimer. I do not guarantee you that you will make amount of money like as me, like as others, because it totally depends upon the amount of effort that you put into this business. And I know if you are watching this video, then you are in the mindset of making money online and you are serious for this business. Okay, so let me show you my results, my dear friends. Today I have earned $18. Here is today's results, $18. And yesterday I have earned $0. No problem at all. $0, no problem. And after 7 days I have earned $54, a good amount. Again in 30 days, $390, very good amount. And in 365 days I have earned $2,456. And this is my total earnings, $2,456. So I have started this business as a beginner, and from that business I have earned $2,456 from this online business just by sitting at my home. Here you are seeing that for those of you who earn in dollars, there are only 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. But when this amount will come to our country, it will be converted into 6 digits. Why? because $1 equals about 70 to 75 currency of our country. So it will be multiplied by 70 and it will come in 6 figures for me. So that's a pretty good amount for me. So I will suggest you to just do this online business, and being a beginner, being a newbie, you can do this business too. So double thumbs up and all the best for you. So I will suggest you to join this business today, and I have given the link upside here or below in the description of this video. So just go down below or up and click that link and join Legendary Marketer today. Start from your Legendary Marketers Club, then get training of 15 days, and then upgrade yourself to the blueprint section that will help you to make a lot of passive money for you. So that's it for you guys. I hope you have got each and everything that Legendary Marketer will work for beginner or not, and I hope it works for me and will also work for you. And if you are thinking to join Legendary Marketer today, then I will say yes, you must join Legendary Market today. I have given a link below in the description, or you can find it over here in the iCard. So click that link, join Legendary Marketer today, get 15 days training, then upgrade yourself to the blueprints offer that will be given to you, and get set to make a lot of huge passive income, unlimited money for you. And I will see you inside. All the best. Bye for now.